Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 11 algebra. और मैंने आपको already message send किया था. We will discuss 11.5 only today, and rest of the chapter we will do after the winter break. Fine. So algebra, according to me, algebra you have also done in class 4th and class 5th. Write them in the chat box. Am I right? You have already done algebra concept now. Not more, 20 to 30%. Yes, good. Very good. Now algebra. First of all, listen to me very carefully. Algebra. Algebra is the branch of mathematics in which we are dealing not only with numbers, but also with unknowns, unknown numbers. So in algebra, we are dealing with numbers, unknown numbers, along with 4 operations. डॉक्टर वाला ऑपरेशन नहीं, ये मत कहना ऑपरेशन, पता नहीं कौन सा ऑपरेशन आ गया यहाँ पे. ऑपरेशन मीन्स हियर 4 operations means plus, minus, multiply or divide. So in algebra we are dealing with these 3 terms. Numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and numbers are known as constant. Fine. Constant means the value will not change. If I am talking about 1, तो 1 हमेशा बेटा 1 नहीं रहेगा. If I am talking about this 2, then 2 is always 2. If I am talking about 3, then 3 is always 3. So numbers known as constant. Constant means value will not change. Fine. Now come to the unknown numbers. If I am writing here x, I don't know what is this x. According to me, this x is 1. According to me, but according to any other, let us suppose according to देवांग कहेगा नहीं जी मैंने तो x को 2 लेना है. ओके. आफ्टर दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू आदगुण कहेगी जी मैंने 1 भी नहीं लेना 2 भी नहीं लेना, मैंने तो x को 3 कंसीडर करना है. दिस इज माय विश. तो अननोन, लुक वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है पर्सन टू पर्सन. 1 थी मेरी, सेकंड देवांग ने बोला मैंने तो सेकंड को सेलेक्ट करना है. आदगुण ने बोला आई एम गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट 3. सो वैल्यू चेंज. So these are x. This x termed as variable. Variable means vary means change होती रहती है. Fine. And this is also known as literal number. Unknown, variable, literal number. 3 names for this x. X is vary means change from person to person. Fine. Now look, fine. So this is variable along with 4 operations. So this is the concept of algebra. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस अलजेब्रा, so you will say in algebra we will deal with three terms. Number 1 numbers, number 2 variables, and number 3 along with 4 operations. So this is the concept of algebra, and according to me you have already done this thing in class 5th. Fine. Now the next is 11.1 to 11.4 we will discuss later. Come to the exercise 11.5. Equation. 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 Look, EQUAL equal. EQUAL equal. In algebra, whenever you will observe sign of is equal to, no greater than sign, no smaller than sign, okay, only the sign of is equal to, then in algebra that thing that will represent an equation. Now come to the first question, exercise 11.5, question number 1, a part. A part is 17 is equal to x plus 7. Now the question is, check that this is an equation or not. To check that this is equation or not, you will only check the is equal to sign. अगर आपको is equal to का sign दिख रहा है, it means this is an equation. Fine. So write down in the chat box, this is an equation or not. Very good, Gaurish. Yes. So you will write this is given is, this is an equation with variable, in this we have one variable x, so with variable x. So equation बेटा जब भी आपसे कोई पूछे equation, equation means in algebra whenever you will observe equal to sign and with variable कौन सा इसमें unknown है, x. X is unknown. So this is an equation with variable x. Now if I am talking about B part, t minus 7 is greater than 5, greater than symbol. Now tell me, this is an equation. Write down in the chat box. Very good, Arshia. No. So given is not an equation. Given. This is not an, this is not an equation. So this is the concept of equation. Equation means जब भी आपको is equal to का साइन दिख गया, क्योंकि स्पेलिंग ही चेक कर लो इसके, EQUA, only L is missing. So you will put L here and equation. Equation means sign of is equal to in algebra. Fine. So if I am talking about H part, 2n plus 1 is equal to 11. Now tell me, what about this? This is an equation or not? If yes, then tell me the variable. Write down in the chat box. Very good, Ritisha. Well done. Beta, yes, this is an equation with variable. Well done, Goresh. N. Variable means any letter from the English alphabet. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. इसमें x था, इसमें क्या है n. So this is an equation with variable n. So equation, this is an equation with variable n. Yes. ये नहीं है अभी मैम हमेशा x ही होगा. No. Any letter from the English alphabet. It may be X, Y, A, B. Look, in this we have X and in this we have N. So both are equation, but this is equation with variable X and this is equation with variable N. And what is the another name of variable? The another name of variable is literal number. Write down literal number. Note down this thing in your notebook. This thing you will observe either in MCQ, true, false, or in fill in the blanks. What is the another name of variable? The another name of variable is literal number. अगर आपको पेपर में आ गया this is equation and tell me the literal number, तो ये नहीं है this is out of syllabus. Literal number is another name that we will use for variable. So note down this thing. After that, come to the second question. Now, before second question, one more part I want to discuss with you. One more part. Yes, come to what about I part? One more. I part is 7 is equal to 11 multiplied by 5 minus 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 4. Now what about this? State which of the following are equation with variable. Tell me. This is equation with variable. You will observe here any variable. Very good, Amarjot. Very good, students. Yes. In this we have no variable. So is equal to doesn't means equation. बेटा is equal to तो चाहिए ही हमें along with variable भी होना चाहिए. But here you have no variable. So in this you will write no. Why? Solve this. Solve. This is 55 minus 48 and this is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So this is not an equation. ये equation नहीं है. So for equation you need equal to sign along with variable. Along with variable. Here equal to sign तो है but हमारे पास variable कोई नहीं है. So this is not an equation. So this is one more very important. Fine. So I hope this concept is clear. The concept of equation. Condition number 1 is in algebra. Whenever you will observe is equal to sign along with the variable. So here when you will solve right hand side you will get 7. So 7 is equal to 7. तो ये कोई equation नहीं है. This is not equation. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Second question. So equation is given, value is given. 11y is equal to 80. This is equation. Okay. Value is given. Value is also given to you. Y is equal to 10. The question is to check that this value is correct value or incorrect value. Fine. Now come here. Come here. Look, to find this y, you will shift 10y. 10y means 10 multiplied by y. In between, if there is no sign, it means the sign of multiplication. Okay? 10y, beta 10 or y के in between, there is no sign. It means the sign of multiplication. No plus, no minus, no divide. If there is no sign in between, it means the sign of multiplication. Now, To find the value of this y, you will shift this 10 to the right hand side here. And when you will shift, this multiplication will change to division. So y is equal to 80 divided by 10. So this will give you 8. What is this is termed as value. This is the value of equation. This is y is equal to 8. But आपको उसने क्या given दिया है? Y is equal to 10. Now tell me, this is correct or incorrect? Tell me. Yes. So you will, in the next column, you will write this is no. Why this is no? हमारे पास क्या आया? 8. बुक वाले ने क्या दिया हुआ है? 10. तो बुक वाले ने गलत दिया हुआ है. So this is no. This is not value. What is the value? The value is 8. Look. Fine? Yes. Write incorrect, write no, write false. This is your wish. Or either write full statement. This is not the correct value. This value is not correct. Because the correct value is 8. This is the correct value. Now come to the B part. B part of this. This is A part. Come to the B part. Now 10y. So solve again and again. Solve again and again. Now 10y. What is the meaning of 10y? Write down in the chat box. 10 multiplied by y, 10 plus y, or 10 minus y. Very good, Arshia. Well done. Well done, Jasmine. 10 multiplied by y, 80. So y is 80 divided by 10, 8. And y8 is given to you. In the book, y is equal to 8 given. So you will write here, this is correct. This is correct value. Yes. So solve your equation. And this is, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Value. This is termed as value for this equation. इसकी y का आंसर क्या आया? 8. It means 8 is the value of this equation. Okay. So this is the concept. Next, I am going to explain G part. Next, I am going to explain G part. Karthik, I have a what? I have के आगे Karthik. Raise your hand, Karthik. Yes, tell me.
मैम वो गलती से डाउट टाइप करना भूल गया था मैं.
क्या हुआ?
मैम मैंने ये पूछना था. मैम वो डाउट मैंने लिखना था, वो डाउट गलती से रह गया लिखना.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम मैं पूछना था, जैसे जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है उसमें उन्होंने पूछा कि इक्वेशन आपने बतानी है विद अ वेरिएबल की वो है या नहीं है. हाँ. तो मैम इक्वेशन जैसे इसमें तो हमने बताया कि उसमें वेरिएबल जिसमें है वो इक्वेशन यस है हमारे लिए. मैम नॉर्मली भी अगर ये क्वेश्चन में अगर नहीं पूछ रहे हैं विद वेरिएबल और नॉट, तो नॉर्मली भी इक्वेशन विद वेरिएबल होती है कि नहीं होती है?
नहीं, इक्वेशन विद वेरिएबल ही होती है. दिस इज कंपल्सरी, इक्वेशन विद वेरिएबल.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
मैंने लिखा तो था साइड पे. वी हैव टू कंडीशंस. वन इज इक्वल टू साइन, सेकंड इज वेरिएबल. इक्वेशन बनती है वेरिएबल के साथ है.
यही डाउट था कि वो क्वेश्चन के लिए लिखा है कि एग्जैक्टली कंपल्सरी वही होती है वेरिएबल.
इक्वेशन बेटा, इक्वेशन, द कांसेप्ट ऑफ इक्वेशन इज ओनली फॉर अलजेब्रा, एंड अलजेब्रा मींस व्हेनेवर यू विल ऑब्जर्व वेरिएबल. फाइन.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Now come to the next G part. B plus 5 is equal to 9. And what is value given to you? B is equal to 5 is given to you. Now check that this is true or false. This given value is true or false. Now tell me, this is plus now. Plus is given to you. If there is no symbol given like this, it means the sign of multiplication. Fine. But here the sign is already given to you. It means ये plus ही रहेगा, ये नहीं change होगा. Now tell me, to find B, what will you do? Yes, students, write down in the chat box. To find B, what will you do? Madhav, not 5 minus 9, beta, 9 minus 5. So this will shift here. So B is 9 minus 5. So B is equal to 4. So this is the value. B is equal to 4. This is the value. But this is 5. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Yes. So like this you will solve. Look, this is 5. So 5 will shift to the right hand side and 5 will change to minus. So like this we will solve. One more. J part. H minus 8 is equal to 5 and H is equal to 13. This is given. Okay. Now, in this, we will do, yes, very good Gaurish, well done, 5 plus 8, look here, this is H. To find the value of this H, you will shift 8 to the right hand side and this minus will change to plus here. So H is equal to 5 plus 8, so H is equal to 13. 13 is the value and 13 is given to you. It means this is correct. So this is correct. Yes. So like this we will solve. This is very important. Like this we will solve. This is plus. After shifting, plus 5 will change to minus 5. Okay. This is minus 8. After shifting, this minus 8 will change to plus 8. So 13. So 13 is the value and 13 is given to you in the book. It means this is correct value. Fine. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now come to the, after that we will start. Now Q part. What about Q part? Q part is P plus 3 is equal to 1 and P is given to you minus 2. And P is given to you minus 2. P is equal to minus 2. This is given. Now look. This is plus 3. Again, I am going to shift this plus 3 to the right hand side. And this will change to minus. So P is equal to 1 minus 3. This is very important. Not 3 minus 1. This is wrong. 1 is already here. आपने shift किसको किया है? 3 को. जो shift होता है वो बाद में position पे जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं आएगा. This is wrong. So 1 here. So you will write 1 here. Now this plus 3. Now what is the value? Recall the concept of integers. Now integers. Recall the concept of integers. What is the sign of this one? The sign of number is always in front of number. You know ना? Integers में हमने बहुत डिटेल में किया है. नंबर का साइन हमेशा नंबर के आगे होता है. ये 1 है, इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है. It means plus. Plus minus, minus, but the sign of bigger number. Recall integers. Plus minus, minus, but the sign of bigger number. Sign of bigger number. So 2, this is minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 is given to you. It means this is correct. So this is correct. So this is correct. This is correct value. So like this we will solve the sum. This is very important. So बेटा अब आपको अलजेब्रा में अगर वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है, इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना. तो प्लस भी आएगा माइनस भी आएगा. सो रिवाइज ऑल द रूल्स ऑफ इंटीजर्स. प्लस माइनस माइनस बट द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. बिगर कौन है, 3 के फ्रंट में कौन सा साइन है, माइनस का. तो 2 के साथ यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन आएगा, माइनस का. So this value and this value is given in the book. It means this is the correct value. Fine. Now come to the next. Come to the third question. Question number 3. Five m is equal to 60. 10, 5, 12, 15. Stop writing everyone. Only put your whole concentration on understanding. The question is, pick out the solution from the value given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that other value do not satisfy the equation. Look, if values are given to you under the bracket, then you will not solve the sum जैसे हमने अभी किया था, वैसे नहीं करेंगे. Because in the book this is given that show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. It means here you will check each and every value. How? Look here, I am going to explain. First of all, this is 5m. Step number 1. Step number 1. Okay. This is 5m. Left hand side. This is left hand side. So left hand side is 5m. 5m means 5 multiplied by m. Now first these are m's, ये सारे m हैं. सबसे पहले I am going to use 10. I am going to use 10 here. So 5 into 10 is equal to 50. आना क्या चाहिए था, आना क्या चाहिए था 60. आया क्या 50. Okay, so you will write here m is equal to 10 is not a value. Okay, now step number 2. Again left hand side, again 5m. Again this is written as 5 multiplied by m. Okay, now I am going to put m is equal to 5. So 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Again आना क्या चाहिए था 60. आया नहीं हमारे पास. This is 25. Again you will write m is equal to 5 is not a value. Come to the step number 3. Again repeat this. Left hand side. What is left hand side? 5m. 5 multiplied by m. Now I am going to put m is equal to 12. 60. 60. So you will write here m is equal to 12 is a value of given equation. Similarly, continue step number 4. Continue step number 4. Left hand side 5m, 5 multiplied by m, 15, 75. Again you will conclude here m is equal to 15, not a value. So this sum you will solve like this if the values are given in the bracket. One by one बेटा आपने यहाँ पे put करना है. Okay? Yes, Jasmine कौन? Jasmine कौन?
फर्स्ट स्टेप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। मैम वो एक बार दोबारा एक बार करा दो।
बेटा your voice is not audible to me.
मैम स्टेप 1।
स्टेप 1 आपका वेरिएबल कौन सी
Yes.
साइड में? आपका वेरिएबल कौन सी साइड में है?
मैम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड।
तो दैट्स व्हाई मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिखा। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है? 5m, ये लिखा मैंने 5m। 5m के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है, ये मैंने पहले बोला है। अगर किसी के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं होता तो कौन सा साइन होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन का। 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय आप, ये सारे m हैं जो हमने हर बार स्टेप में पुट करने हैं। m ये क्या है? 10, तो मैंने m की जगह 10 लिखा। 50 पर आना क्या चाहिए था? 60 नहीं आया, तो यू विल राइट हियर m इज इक्वल टू 10 इज नॉट अ वैल्यू। सेम फिर से स्टेप नंबर 2 पे आ जाओ, ये हो गया हमारा। नेक्स्ट पे जाएंगे। ओके, नाउ अगेन वेरिएबल कौन सी साइड में है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। 5m, 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय m। अगेन अगली वैल्यू पे चलो, अगली वैल्यू क्या है? 5। सो 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5, 25। अगेन चाहिए हमें 60 है, आया 25। सो फिर आप लिखोगे m इज इक्वल टू 5 इज नॉट अ वैल्यू, क्योंकि हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं ना। लाइक दिस वी विल सॉल्व। Okay?
ओके मैम।
Now, students note down that then I will explain C part to you. P minus 5 is equal to 5. You have done? Yes, students, you have done this. Write down in the chat box. Then I will start third question. Okay, write down. And you can take screenshot also. After that, we will do C part. What is C part? P minus 5 is equal to 5, 0, 10, 5 minus 5. These are values and we have to check which value is correct. Yes. This question is for whose video is on? Arshia.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Arshia,
ma'am.
tell me what is the first step?
Ma'am, first of all, we will write LHS is equal to P minus 5.
Step number 1. Okay, because we have 4 values. Left hand side is equal to P minus 5. Yes. What about next?
Ma'am, P minus.
Next. बेटा ये P है, ये P है, ये.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Now we will subtract 0 minus 5.
Yes, these all are P. ये सारे P हैं. ये P है ना, तो ये P आपको given है. आपने चेक करना है ये P करेक्ट है या इनकरेक्ट है. ओके. Now
Yes, ma'am.
first of all P is 0. So 0
Yes.
minus 5. Okay. As we know, Arshia, 0 has no value. So what is the result?
Yes,
0
ma'am.
minus 5.
5.
0 minus 5. 0 minus
Ma'am.
5.
Ma'am, minus 5.
Yes, 0 has no value. तो 0 को यहाँ से हटा दो. This is minus 5. That's it. So 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Recall integers. Okay. So
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
write here P is equal to 0 is not a value. Okay. Now again
Yes.
step number 2. Tell me what is the
L-
step number 2?
LHS is equal to P minus 5.
Yes, same.
Is
यही वाला P minus 5. अब मैं
is
P
equal
को ये हो गया मेरा ठीक है. Now we will put here.
is equal to 10 minus 5.
Very good. Now I am going to use next P. ये P मैंने यूज कर लिया, इससे कुछ नहीं हुआ. अब मैं next P यूज करूंगी. Next P क्या है? 10. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5. So 5. So you will write here P is equal to 5 is a value of given equation. And write one more thing. This is equal to right hand side. Add one more step. This is equal to right hand side. Look, this is right hand side now. So 5 is equal to right hand side. Now come to the step number 3.
Step 3 is equal to LHS is
Again
equal
LHS.
to minus 5
Yes.
is equal to 5 minus 5.
Yes. 5 minus 5 will give you 0.
0
Okay.
is
So
equal
this is not equal to right hand side. Add this step also. Fine. So this is not equal to right hand side. So you will write here P is equal to 5
Z
is
5
not
is not a
a value. Yes.
value.
Now come to the step number 4. Again, left hand side.
Yes,
6 minus
left hand
5.
side is
Yes. Use column here. Not is equal to sign. Students, not use this. Not is equal to sign. Okay, fine. So left hand side P minus 5. P minus 5 is equal
P minus
to.
5 is
Now what is P?
minus 5 minus 5
In integers, minus minus.
plus
Yes, minus minus plus. So minus
plus
10. So not
minus
equal to right hand side. So you will write here P is equal to minus 5 is not a value. Okay. So this is very important. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा आपने वो साइड लिखनी है जहां पे वेरिएबल है. हमारा वेरिएबल कौन सी साइड पे है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. अगर राइट पे होता तो मैं यहाँ पे RHS लिखती, पर मेरा वेरिएबल कहाँ है? इक्वेशन की लेफ्ट साइड पे. तो मैंने क्या लिखा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. क्या लिखा? P minus 5. ये सारे P हैं. We will put one by one to check that which is correct and which is incorrect. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने P को क्या यूज किया? 0. तो ये मेरा क्या आया? 0. 0 minus 5. 0 has no value. This is minus 5 which is not equal to right hand side because right hand side is 5. So you will write here P is equal to 0 is not a value. Now again step number 2. Again left hand side P minus 5. Now अब मैं next P पे जाऊंगी. What is my next P? My next P is 10. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5 and this is equal to right hand side. So you will write here P is equal to 5 is a value of given equation. So you will solve like this. Fine. Good efforts, Arshia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now students note down. Then we will solve one more sum. And one more thing students, बेटा आज हमने ये जितना कर लिया ठीक है, remaining we will do after the winter break, and tomorrow I will explain subject enrichment activities to you, and that subject enrichment activities you will complete during the winter break, and homework of this exercise also जो आज मैं आपको दूंगी. This exercise homework along with 2 activities marks to be added in your multiple assessment and in subject enrichment. Okay, so complete your work. Now come to the one more part. Come to the E part. P part is r minus 4 is equal to 0 and values are given. 4 minus 4, 8, 0. These are the values. Yes, who want to solve this sum? Raise your hand. Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Akshara, what is step number 1?
Step 1, LHS is equals to r minus 4.
LHS, like this. R minus
हाँ.
4. Yes. Then all are R. ये सारे R है. R, 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 R. Then first of all, I am going to put R is equal to 4. First value. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is equal to right hand side. And you will write, so R is equal to 4 is a value of given equation. Okay. Similarly, step number 2. Again, left hand side. R minus 4 is equal to next value. Minus 4 minus 4. Minus minus plus minus 8, which is not equal to right hand side. So you will write here R is equal to minus 4 is not a value. Okay. So rest of the parts you will do by yourself. मैंने 2 solve कर दिए. 2 parts you will do by yourself like this. So like this we will solve the sums. Fine. And tomorrow I will explain subject enrichment activities to you. Note down. So students, bye-bye. Fine. Rest activities we will do tomorrow. Yes, Karthik.
Ready?